Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix VBS or HVCI is still enabled. Please disable it and try again error Hyper-V on PC. In this video, seeing before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 4 steps. Let's go ahead. That first step, restart your system. So go to that start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Sometimes this method works, just try it. Then go to the next step, disable core isolation. So we need Windows search bar, so search the Windows security. We can click to open it. Then we will go to virus and threat protection. Then scroll down, we can click on the manage settings. Then here you can see if this real time protection is turn it on, simply turn it off, temporarily turn it off. Then come to back. Then again go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. After that, recheck your game. If this try to it does not working, then go to the next step. Uncheck Hyper-V or virtual machine platform. So we need Windows Future. So search the Windows Future. You can click to open the software. Then scroll down, find and unselect Hyper-V and virtual machine platform. So here already virtual machine platform, unselect the virtual machine platform. Then again unselect the Windows hypervisor platform. Once it unselect, then hit the OK to save. Then come to back. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. After that should be the problem fixed. Sometimes if this try to it does not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So we need CMD. Right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then this command provided in this video description. Then go to copy. Then you will come to paste command promote. Then hit the enter. The operation will completely. After that, exit. Hit the enter. Then finally you will restart your system. Then it have solved this problem. If you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.